So it comes with large size cable, bracket, medium size, and a small. But the problem is there's two sizes. There's a size that's bigger than this one, and there's a size that's bigger than this one. And so I took a couple aluminum plates, made them big enough to fit that medium size, and a little bit bigger than the medium size cable, and then we made another one to fit the larger size cables, and that's like this size here. So you got that size, and 1-inch size. So it fits in there nice and not snug, but loose. You want to peep? So what we did was made a little channel out of PVC. So when the cable comes in, it'll be guided to go straight, because if you just let it come down on the ground, it'll stop your motion. And put the drill on the end of the tool and feed the cable in a little bit, and then go ahead and start feeding. Alright. Lift up on the cable here. Supposed to make it look seamless, man. Don't worry about it. Go ahead. Just hold the cable.
I like to put the drill on top of the wood.
Yeah. Go ahead. I think that drill is yeah, you hit it, cable come out on the other end. You gonna hold that for a second and strip the cable back. So, can you see? Huh? Just you can get it. Just okay. So you can see it through there. So it strips it open. Take the screwdriver, pin it back like so. Then I take the cable on the ground, step on it. Strip it off, and that's it. So it works good if you got two people, but one person, once you strip it, then you got a bunch of scrap left over. And take the cables and fold them up and show the all the cables are stripped. That's all the cable we will strip with the wire strip. It would have took me weeks to do all this cable, but with this, it probably took me like 4 days, 3 or 4 days, and I still got a big old pile left. But it goes by pretty quick. All right, till